Haal het toe. Lekker. Jy moet nou maar Afrikaans praat soveel as jy kan.
Just landed in Dubai, got a lift to the hotel from somebody from the hotel. Just got to my hotel room. Here it is. It's really nice. A really big bed. And it's kind of weird to think I'm in a new city and the city is going to be home. Hello. So it is morning 1 in Dubai. Yeah, so I had a really nice sleep last night. It is such a weird feeling to be in a different country, a different city, and to know that this is going to be home for like the foreseeable future. And it's actually kind of scary, but I'm very excited. It's currently just past 11, which means that to me it feels like it's just past 9 in the morning. It's weird, it doesn't feel like 11 yet at all. Yeah, I'll do a little tour of the hotel room, and then yeah, I'm heading out to Starbucks, seeing if I can pay with my Capitec card. Yeah, let's do this. New country, new city. Okay, room tour time. See, I'm standing here by the door and I'll show you guys the rest of the room now. So this is what you see when you walk into the door. Go to the left. This is the bathroom. I already put a few of my things up. Here's a nice shower and a bath. Basin. Hello. If you walk out, to the right here is a little like a mirror area where I did my makeup this morning. Then turning around, there's a kitchen area. It's quite a full kitchen for a hotel room. Even a few hot plates. There was absolutely nothing in this kitchen though. So no tea, no coffee, nothing. So I'm going to have to go buy things today. Then here we have the wardrobe. So already unpacked. It's quite nice and big, I must say. A lot of space for things. In the side. Cupboards. And then this is a little desk area, really cute. The big bed, which I really like. It was really comfy and it's massive. And then TV. Desk with 2 suitcases. And this is probably the best part. It's the view. How crazy. That's the metro station. I think I'm gonna go and try the train tomorrow. Figure all of that out. I'm gonna go to Starbucks now. I'm gonna be walking there. If you look this side, oh, you can't see really, but that's the ocean right there. So that is just a quick little tour of the room. I never in my wildest dreams thought that I would be in Dubai while I'm 21. I'm not. So that was my little room tour. This is also crazy. Never in my wildest dreams would I have thought I would be in Dubai now. Moving my whole life. Just me, 2 bags. It's crazy. But I'm gonna start a new life, and I'll keep you guys updated. On my way to explore the city. Day 1 in Dubai. Okay, so I just went into my second Starbucks. Just got a water. I'm struggling to find really good internet. Surprisingly, I thought it would be good, easy to find, but the internet in the Starbucks are very slow. But I am now walking back to my hotel. So, yeah, pretty cool. All the buildings, I'm still amazed how it looks. I want to show you guys the bus stop here now. Here I am at the bus stop. So that is the bus stop. It has an aircon. It's like a closed little pod thing. So, yeah, look there. It's like a closed thing. I imagine in summer, having an air-conditioned bus stop is exactly what you would want in a place like this. Currently it's like 24 degrees, so it's not really very hot. The wind is blowing, so it's actually quite nice outside. Hello. I went to explore the city a little bit. I went to the Starbucks, ordered a sandwich and a coffee, and I think it was 188 Rand. But anyway, I could pay in dollars, and then I actually got some dirhams back. So now I have a few dirhams, which is good. Then I went to the grocery store, where I actually was able to swipe with my Capitec card. So that's great news. But I thought, let me show you guys what I bought here at the little grocery store. So, basics, some cornflakes. Then I just got some long life milk for the cornflakes, which is good. Some bread, just white bread. There's no toast here, so I won't be able to toast my bread, but you know, it's basics. I got some apricot jam. Then sugar cubes. They don't have like just normal sugar in a small packet. They only have big packets of normal sugar. So this is the only thing I could get that's like not massive. Some tea. Can always do with some tea. Then a little baby pot of coffee, which is great because, you know. Then in here I have 3 apples, and they cost 4 dirhams 50 cents, which is, I don't know how many rands that is. That's how much they cost. Then I thought, let me just try some instant noodles and see how they work. So I have this one here, which is a chicken flavor, and I have this one, which is a beef flavor. And we'll see how they taste, because obviously instant noodles, it's cheap, it's easy, quick meal if I'm hungry and I don't want to go out. And while staying in the hotel, I don't want to buy full-on groceries, especially not like fresh food and stuff. A big bottle of water. And that is my little grocery haul. I don't know if it's really boring because it's groceries. It's literally like cereal and water. But I don't know. I thought it might be interesting to see. And let me show you guys what you're seeing outside. I have shown you, but it's so nice. I have to show you again. Okay, let me just flip. Oh, this view. It's so crazy. Wow. Okay, I am off on outing number 2. A friend of mine who I studied with is coming to fetch me. She's going to go show me Dubai Mall. I'm gonna try and exchange some money for dirhams, and she said we'll just like hang out somewhere, have a chat. So I think that'll be nice, also to see a different part of the city. As far as I know, Dubai Mall is close to the Burj Khalifa, so it'd be nice to see that as well. So let's go. Where my video is? Where? Hello. my hotel room, which is just past 12. It might be like 12:30 already. In my PJs. And yeah, my first day in Dubai has been quite good. Yeah, I tried to film quite a bit, like bits and pieces of what I did today. Not exactly sure what I did show and what I didn't. But yeah, I must say, it was a good day, and I did more than I thought I would. I saw more than I thought I would. I got to spend time with some really great people. Yeah, so I feel really good today, and I think tomorrow will be a good day as well. And then Sunday, the day after that, I start with my work. So yeah, so far I think it's going well. It is the morning of day 2. I'm having some breakfast with a view. It is kind of late already. It's like 10:30. I'm only having breakfast now. I must say I'm kind of struggling to wake up early. I don't know, maybe if it's the 2-hour difference between South Africa and Dubai. But I only went to bed at like 3 last night. I just wasn't tired, and I woke up at 9:30 this morning, so I'll have to work on getting up earlier. But yeah, day 2. A girl needs to eat, so I'm gonna make myself a little sandwich in the hotel kitchen. Let's see how it goes. Yay, sandwich time. Hello, it's me again. So it's the afternoon of day 2. It is just 1:15. I did some work on my laptop this morning, and just sort of like hang around in the hotel room. Was pretty much only got dressed now, and I'm gonna head out in like half an hour. I am meeting another friend at a beach. I think the beach is called Black Palace Beach, if I remember correctly. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna try the metro for the first time, and then she said I should take a taxi, not an Uber, a taxi. So that's interesting as well. So I'm excited to try the metro, excited to see the beach. She said from that beach you can see the Burj Al Arab. I think that's what it's called. It's like that building, but I'll show you guys when I get there. So yay! Meeting my friends here, just got dropped off by a taxi. Took the metro, it all went really well. Look how nice. Some friends. The Burj just got back from the beach with my friend, heading to my hotel again, stop for a few supplies. Day 2 was great.